Petrosys PRO is an advanced subsurface mapping application. It's a tool to create and edit and present subsurface data. Many interpretation systems will have some sort of mapping component built into them, but Petrosys PRO is focused exclusively in this space. It therefore offers more control, more options and better quality when working with subsurface data. Petrosys PRO also connects effortlessly to a wide range of these third-party systems, for example through drag and drop capabilities. So it's extremely easy to use those interpretation systems where they excel, and then use Petrosys PRO alongside for the subsurface mapping and presentation parts where Petrosys PRO excels. Anyone who needs to create or share information about the subsurface will use Petrosys PRO. For example, a geoscientist who needs to present information, perhaps for farm-ins or farm-outs, could be to government bodies, to joint venture partners, at peer reviews, at decision gates, or perhaps just to colleagues internally to discuss their understanding. In any of these scenarios, the geoscientist has to convey their understanding as clearly as possible. Those viewing the presented information have to make important and confident decisions, and the best way to convey the months of work and knowledge is through accurate and high quality subsurface maps. Here, for example, the geoscientist is using PRO to move text labels to preferred parts of the map so that valuable information is not hidden. It's a simple mapping feature, but without it, we see geoscientists making these sorts of changes in packages like Microsoft PowerPoint, which are not tied to the interpretation data, and so their maps are therefore not updatable or repeatable. Here, the user is exporting the finished map to a layered and geospatially aware PDF. These vector files don't suffer from the problems that screenshotting a working map give, such as a lack of resolution or inability to interact with the layers. Again, a simple but effective way of conveying your understanding to others as clearly as possible. One of the main reasons why geoscientists use Petrosys PRO is for the quality and accuracy of its maps. As geoscientists, we need to build highly complex structural and stratigraphic models to even begin to model the heterogeneity of the subsurface geology we're interested in. A geoscientist will spend months getting to know these models and their area, but when it comes to communicating this knowledge to the decision makers, they simply don't have months to understand all of these complexities. Geoscientists need to create high quality and accurate maps, for example maps that clearly show the interaction of the structural surface with faults through accurate rendering and through geologically sound contours. Screenshotting working maps from interpretation systems simply won't achieve this. Therefore, making maps in Petrosys PRO allows their managers, the joint venture partners or whoever it may be to make the best possible decisions for their company. And with the complexity in exploration and production today, personally I think this is why so many geoscientists globally use Petrosys PRO for all their subsurface maps.